the super suitcase. Yeah.
Yeah.
There we have it. Oh, nice. With the threads, the scissors.
This is for the facilitator.
Facilitators,
Yeah.
yeah.
And
Nice,
these are
in
the
green. Countries.
Peninsulant and island.
Let's first put them 1, 2, 3. Now here's the, oh, I see.
Yeah.
So everything has a number
Yeah.
and the letter, and that will help put up the...
Yeah. Put up the map so you know where every part
goes.
goes.
So the lanyards per country.
Also for the countries. Yeah.
That one over there, here, and I think the green is for the
Yeah,
moderators.
the moderators.
Okay, so let's put on one.
Yeah.
Rivets, or pins, as I call them.
Yeah, pins, yeah.
Rivets. Thank you very much. So we can
Pin rows.
see where is north and south. All the different colored threads, we need them for electricity cables, pipelines, types of fishing vessels. I think the green is for fisheries, miscellaneous, so, and all the tokens. Wow, sea cucumber, you find here, fisheries. Education, cultural heritage. We have made this game for IUC UNESCO, so this is absolutely their token. Protecting nature, habitats and species and birds with the logo. So everything you need is in the suitcase. All the materials, including the moderator's globe of the world, the global ocean, of which we're going to play a part. Now, the next thing is to make everything ready for people to play. So we're going to set up the Ricassi, as it's called, and we're going to prepare the ground for the participants to be able to join the game immediately. And afterwards, everything can go back in the suitcase. You take it with you, 23 kilos, move it around, can be in a plane. That's it. Okay, Linda, explain.
Yeah.
How are we going to set this up?
You can see that there is a number on the back side of each of the board parts, and numbers 1 to 8, and then there's also A, B, C, D. So you have to place the boards from 1 to 8, and then from A to D.
A to D.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you do so, then you can flip the boards, and then you will see the C.
I think we are lacking one table.
So it's a bit too small. Yeah.
We're going to arrange another table.
Yeah.
So it's not 2 meters 40, we need actually
2 meters 80.
2 meters 80.
Yeah. So now that we made the puzzle with the numbers and the letters, now we can turn around all the parts. And then you will see the board appear. And these are flipped like this. So. And now let's prepare an initial setup as a moderator.
This is the moderator bag.
Yeah. And here's an explanation of the Ricassi, a description of the sea. And here are some pointers for a successful game.
Ah, the game captain, that must be me. So people should not write their name on it?
No.
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 Okay.
Do not write
Good.
your name on it.
Legends of everything, that's nice. And what's this?
Yeah, so as a facilitator, but you can, if you have the suitcase, then you can decide what tokens go here. But as a facilitator or as a moderator, you don't actually have the box of tokens because the players have them. But you can keep some of the tokens apart for you. And then you can use them to set up the game or
Okay, for the initial
yeah, for
setup,
the initial setup.
for people to know.
Yeah, if
So
there are
this
some
is-
tokens that you think I always want to have these as a moderator for myself, also during the game, then you keep them in your own
Moderator bag.
moderator bag.
So then we'll just, in the next step, we will do an initial setup with the 3 countries, Island, Peninsula and Bayland.
Yeah.
Make some connections and put a few of the tokens as an inspiration.
Yeah,
So it's an underdeveloped sea,
yeah.
and then it's already clear for others to what to do. Okay, let's go.
Mm-hmm.
Capital. Capital port. Immediately the Clovage. Also brand new. 1, 2, yeah. It should be in the deep water route. What do we play with? We've got 3 nautical miles per square, 10 nautical miles, 12 nautical miles, or 24.
10 might be nice.
10 for easy calculations.
Easy calculation.
Yeah,
I don't know.
that corresponds a little bit with the line here, the 12 nautical mile.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, okay. These are actually for the moderator. So
Oh, okay.
I put them in the moderator bag.
Yeah.
UDT oil and gas, the fish. Where do we find the fishing grounds? If you could. Cetaceans. Farmers. It's to simulate a runoff. Aquatic problem. And here we have the Sustainable Development Goals. Chemicals in the sea should be hidden. You want to hide something from the players in the beginning for them to discover. You can cover it with a question mark. Not to forget, we should already instruct how this works. So an oil platform or gas platform. We'll connect it to shore. The most important thing, it always needs to be connected. The clove hitch. Very easy to make, very easy to untie, and very handy in this exercise. The clove hitch. One and another one on top of it. I'll do it again. So, one below the other. Keep it like that. Leave the rope. Do it again. Tie the knot.
So it would take about an hour or so to set up the game, to prepare the game, to make the, to set up all the functions that you want to have in your session, in your game session. It's always nice to make a nice variation of functions on shore and functions at sea.
Yes, in particular you want to have a bit of rest before you actually get the participants around the table. So in preparing the game prior to the participants arriving, it's crucial you make a setup. You choose the tokens which are part of your exercise today, and we will talk today about fossil fuel, and we're going to change it for renewable energy from the seaside. So we already make an example. Of course, offshore platform needs to be connected. We will not do it everywhere because there's still something to learn. You have to place some of the tokens for the rich environment, the marine environment, ecology. So if you place them in a hotspot, you can also already indicate that this is a protected area. And then afterwards you can explain that this is a protected area. Protected areas at sea do not have to be connected because humans, well, they might go there for tourism, but it's not necessary. So we build up on every part of the board a little bit of what is there. We also show an example of how to connect a cruise vessel, for instance. You take the correct thread, you can put it through the hole. So make it a ferry line, and we connect this city, capital of Ireland. This is the capital of Ireland. This part is part of Ireland country. We connect it to one of the islands. Hop, hop, hop. There you have your first ferry connection. So you go slowly, don't put everything there, put a few examples. They don't have to be in all countries, all the examples. You can show to the players afterwards when introducing the game, introducing the purpose of the game, of the exercise, what they can play with.